Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at this stunning SunBlogs art handmade metal violin statue. This original design features complex hand-painted details and expert welding for a truly unique look. Skilled artisans use special anti-rust and aging treatments to ensure this music sculpture lasts for years. The beautiful matte burgundy finish creates a sophisticated aesthetic that stands out in any indoor setting. You can easily display this versatile metal artwork on your office desk or even in your garden. It serves as a meaningful gift for music teachers and musicians who appreciate fine metal art. Elevate your favorite home decor with this striking and original music-themed sculpture that everyone will love. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.